Good morning, everybody. Guess what day it is? It's Friday! Happy Friday. You know what that means. You know what time it is? It's coffee time. Let's get this day started right. Alright, let's make this coffee. Gonna start off with some sugar. And for some reason it tastes a lot better in a Disney Resort mug. Don't know why, but it does. And we have some, where are we? Cinnabon coffee creamer. A little bit there. Give it a little stir. Good stuff. Ready to start the day off right. Cutting down a tree in our neighbor's backyard. This is a big boy. This guy's been climbing. This guy took this guy about a half an hour. Whoop. And there goes. This poor guy down here at the bottom. So, update. Homeboy is still up in the tree. I don't know what the heck these guys are doing, but they ain't doing that much. So you get home from work, you're a tree trimmer, wife asks you what you did for the day, and be like, oh honey, I kind of just sat in a tree, scratched my butt and did nothing. Guy has a pole saw up there. I don't know why he's not using the chainsaw. Guy's literally been in this tree for like 2 hours. Whining and complaining, and he drops the pole saw to the ground, almost impales his coworker in the head. Oh wait, he's doing something. No, he's not. Oh wait, I see movement. Come on, buddy, you can do it. You cut that branch down. Come on. Cut it. You can do it. Oh. And no dice. Oh wait, no, he's back. No. Do 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 do. Do 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 ba do ba do ba do. And there it goes. Not roped off anything. Almost hit homeboy over here. These guys crack me up. Stay tuned for more updates. So we're at Michael's Arts and Crafts. Found this awesome Hocus Pocus sign that we're going to have to purchase and hang up at the house. Plus they have all this other cool Halloween stuff. There's Gav trying to balance flowers on his hand. Some neat. What's that? Home is where you hang your broom. So true. So true. Welcome to Target! Look how cool these remix aliens are from Toy Story.
No, you don't want to look at that.
What do we want to look at?
You want to look at that.
Oh my goodness.
If you couldn't
I think
tell,
I know what Gavin's going to want for his birthday or for Christmas.
all of this.
Oh, Gav, don't look right in front of you.
Oh,
Look, it's like this.
I know.
The squishy. What else we got over here? Oh, look at the baby Yoda. Oh, I killed him. Get up. Look at the wrestlers. Kofi, Daniel, and AJ. Ronda Rousey.
I see him.
Viscera. Bray Wyatt.
Why would they
The
cut
oh,
that out?
oh, look at this cool ambulance. That's pretty cool. Oh, I want this guy. Look how cute he is. I just saw too, October 30th, The Mandalorian Season 2 is going to come out on Disney Plus.
I'm gonna get you. No, you're not.
Pew, pew.
No, you're not. Yes, I am.
Oh, look at the little porgs.
No, we want our chicken back. Yeah, you're gonna have to pay for it.
Well, these look interesting. Well, guys, that was a fun and exciting day. We got to watch the neighbor's tree get trimmed. I was a little bit disappointed. I really thought that they were gonna cut the bad boy down, but they just trimmed the branches. Took them forever. And then we went to Michael's, saw some Halloween stuff, had a trip to Target. On the way home, we stopped off at Dairy Queen, got some blizzards, can't wait to eat those. So, I'm going to end it here. I hope everybody had a great day. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great night.